Hello friends, welcome back to your YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna talk about Lmnd stock, ticker symbol LMND. If you don't know already, Lmnd is an insurance company which uses AI to process your insurance and could easily be the next disruptive stock like Amazon and Tesla. If not, at least in the insurance world. That's the reason this is one of my favorite stocks. I mean, the potential for this stock on the upside is massive. I've done a complete breakdown of this company in my previous videos. If you want to watch them, I will leave the link in the description box below. Now Lmnd, the thing is, they just had their earnings yesterday and they did beat their earnings and their estimates. The number of customers are also increasing by 48% on a year-over-year basis, thus increasing their premium. But what it failed to do is increase the revenue by 1 million in the same quarter on a year-over-year basis. So basically what is happening is, as the number of customers are increasing, as their revenue are increasing, they are not being able to handle their gross loss, so the profit margin is not increasing at the same time. So but if you check out other companies like Facebook and Tesla that had their earnings, and they did both beat their earnings last week, and eventually their price of shares fell down by 5 to 10% within the next few days. But recently in the past couple of days, the stock has bounced back and pushed even higher than where it fell from just before their earnings. So I think this is the new sort of attack by the whales, and this is what's been presented to us at the current momentum by the big investors. So I think by the next week, Lmnd will be trading at around $100 per share. So do not worry, guys. Do not panic. This is the trend that I'm trying to explain to you guys. Okay. So remember, guys, I am here. I'm the first ones who did call and who did make this video last year, and I told you guys that I was buying at $50. At the same time, I made another video just telling you guys that this is heavily overpriced and I'm gonna sell it at $180. And I did make another video telling you that I bought in this share at $90 again, somewhere around February. So now I think Lmnd will again test is $180 range when Lmnd will start doing their car insurance thing. And once they start generating a momentum, I think Lmnd can easily become one of the biggest companies. At least if not, it will attract a lot of investors, and the price of Lmnd will be much more higher. Okay, because the fact is, here in the UK, car insurance is a mandatory. It's a must to get it out on the road, or else it's illegal to drive a vehicle without any car insurance. And the thing is, I'm quite sure that it is mandatory in most of the Western world. So that can bring in a lot of revenue. That's the point that I'm trying to convey towards you by making this video today. I also think that Lmnd business model will suit the millennials and the young drivers, which insurance premium is a lot higher. So basically, I think this new crowd don't want to be on the phone with their insurers for half an hour, trying to sort out their insurance, or trying to get a quote, or even confirming these things, when everything can be done within the app and AI will do it. I think this will suit, and the way Lmnd has targeted its audience, I think this will suit the young and the young drivers as well. So if anything, they have in the future time, and I think it will ultimately favor the Lmnd insurance. This is what I think. Again, if you want to check out how much they could have earned, they could be earning, I mean, from their, I will leave the link in the description box below once again. And like I always say, always think before you sink. Goodbye, my friends.